Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Deondra. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I moisturize my low porosity hair. I'm going to be using my J Organic products, and I'm going to show y'all how I moisturize during my wash day process, starting from pre-poo all the way to the deep conditioning. So my hair has been in this ponytail for a few days now, so it's pretty dry. So I'm going to just take my hair down so that y'all can see what we're starting off with. So as you can see, my hair is pretty dry, but we are about to change all that. Alright, so I'm just gonna start off by sectioning my hair into 4 big sections. When you're moisturizing your hair, you definitely want to work in sections to make sure that you get every strand. Alright, so we're gonna start off on this back section. And the first thing that we're gonna do is take our water bottle that's full of warm to hot water. The thing with low porosity hair is that it takes a lot for water and moisture to get in. So by heating your water, it makes it a lot easier for the water to actually penetrate your hair strands. All right, so we're just gonna spray the water. And you can probably see that the water is just sitting on top of my hair, which is another characteristic of low porosity hair. You have to really squeeze and work the water into your hair strands. So with low porosity hair, it's hard to get moisture in, but once the moisture is in there, it stays in there. But you just have to work to get the moisture in. So I'm not making it soaking wet, but I do want it to be wet enough. So this is what it's looking like. Alright, so now I'm going to split this back section into 2 sections. Place the other section out of the way. So we're starting on this section. And the first product that I'm going to use is this J Organic Hydro Moisture Moringa Shea Hair Yogurt. So this is what I'm going to use for my pre-poo. It's made with shea butter and castor oil, so it's really good for moisture. So I'm just going to take some of this and apply it. So this stuff is nice and thick, so it's really coating all of my strands. So you can already see my hair is becoming more moisturized. So when I pre-poo, I like to also finger detangle, and because this product is a little bit thicker, I'm going to also go in with a J Organic Strengthening and Growth Moisturizer, just so that I can detangle and have a little bit more slip when I'm finger detangling. So this stuff is really creamy, which is perfect for finger detangling. And I'm just starting from my ends and working my way up. Now this section is fully detangled and super moisturized. You can definitely see my curls poking through. Alright, so once you finish that section, you just twist that section up and then move on to the next. Alright y'all, so I rinsed the pre-poo treatment out and washed my hair off camera. So I washed my hair with the J Organic Growth Plus Hydrating Shampoo. It has aloe vera and green tea extract, which is really good for making sure that your hair is nice and moisturized after you wash. So I'm just going to take this section down so that we can look and see what it's looking like. And it is really soft and moisturized. So the next step in my moisturizing routine is probably the most important step. I never skip this step. It is deep conditioning. Alright, so regular conditioners sit on top of your hair, but deep conditioners are able to actually penetrate your hair strands. And y'all, if you don't use a deep conditioner, your hair is just not going to be as moisturized as it could be. I know it's an extra step and none of us want to spend any more time than we have to washing our hair, but it is so important for curly hair that we make sure that we put that moisture into our hair strands. So today I'm going to use the J Organic Argan Oil Hair Mask. It has keratin protein and it's ultra hydrating. So for my deep conditioning, I also like to work in sections. So I'm just going to take this back section and split it into two, similarly to what we did when we were pre-pooing. So you want to take quite a bit of the deep conditioner and just apply it to all of your hair, making sure that you were working and squeezing that product in, especially if you have low porosity hair. So I can tell that my hair really likes this stuff because it is absorbing basically immediately into my hair, which is amazing. You want to make sure that you're putting deep conditioner on the ends of your hair because these are the oldest parts of your hair and the driest parts of your hair. So make sure that you really baby your ends. I also apply extra deep conditioner to the nape of my hair because this is the part that gets really dry for me, and this is also the part that breaks the most often for me. So I always make sure to put extra deep conditioner on that section. So this deep conditioner has protein in it, which is really good because although moisture is really important, your protein is also important. Your hair has to have a nice protein moisture balance to make sure that it's healthy. If you have too much moisture and not enough protein, your hair will become really mushy and it'll break a lot easier. Similarly, if you have too much protein, your hair will also break. So it's important to keep that moisture protein balance. Alright, so now that I've applied all of the deep conditioner, I'm just going to apply some of this Growth Plus oil to my scalp and the twist. So this oil can actually be used daily, and it has castor oil, which is really good for hair growth. And now I'm just gonna put some of the oil in my hands and just rub it over the twist to lock in the moisture. So now I'm just going to apply a plastic cap over these twists, and I'm going to use a heated cap that you put in a microwave, but you can also just sit under a hooded dryer. Either way will work, but you definitely want to make sure that you apply some sort of heat when you're deep conditioning, because that's going to help your hair really retain the moisture. Alright, so I rinsed out the deep conditioner. It looks so good and moisturized. Do y'all see this? It looks really good. It's so soft. If y'all want more information on all these organic products, I'm going to link them down in the description box, but make sure you check out my unboxing video because I went in about the ingredients and about the details of each product in that video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please consider giving it a thumbs up, and also make sure that you subscribe and turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.